Hi all, welcome to Forex trading. You know what is Forex? Forex is nothing but foreign exchange. You might have heard of exchange rate, like news and all. One US dollar is equal to 73 rupees currently, and today's Kuwait dinar's price is 145 rupees. You might have seen the headlines moving in the news and all. So actually, what does this exchange rate means? Exchange rate means comparing the rate of a particular country's currency with other countries' currency. So they show the value of currencies of different countries compared to their country. I guess you got it. Let's say a person is coming to India from USA. So he is having $100 in his hands. But he cannot use it currency in India, right? Wait. Actually, he is having $100 and he cannot use it currency in India. So actually there are many centers that exchanges the currencies, you might have heard. So he approaches one of the center and exchanges the currency. Here he gets the present exchange rate of Indian currency. Maybe 73 rupees means $100 is equal to 7,300 rupees. So he got 7,300 Indian rupee. The same thing we do virtually. In Forex, the same process, we do it virtually through online. We buy and sell currencies online. This is what Forex trading means. Buying and selling of currencies online. Next, why people prefer Forex trading more? One plus point is time. Time is one of the most important thing playing in this. Usually, if we are trading in Indian market, we get only 6 hours. The opening time is 9:15 and the closing time is 3:30 or 3:15, something like that. So you have only 6 hours in front of you to trade. When it comes to Forex, we have 24 hours to trade. There's no time limit in Forex because the market opens on Monday 4:30 a.m. and closes on, when does the market close? Do you have any idea? Saturday morning 2:30 a.m. So till then you can trade, you can make money, you can buy or sell shares, whatever it is. So you have 24 hours in front of you to trade, or weekly 6 days or 5 days in front of you to trade. There's no time limit. Till that you can trade. This is one of the most thing that's playing the key role. Is it about time? Next plus point is leverage. In Indian market, if you have 10 rupees, you can buy the shares of 100 rupees. If you have rupees 10, you can buy the shares of rupees 100. When it comes to Forex, usually the broker gives leverage of 1:100 to 1:1,000. In Forex, we talk in dollars, not rupees. So 1:100 means if you have only $1, you are able to buy the value of $100 or $1,000. This is what leverage in Forex means. So next plus point is, the important point is volume. Volume means, which indicates how many shares are bought and sold over a given period of time. Number of shares which are bought or sold over a given period of time. So biggest stock market exchange, with the world is US market. In that market, there is an index named NASDAQ. NASDAQ. The volume of Nasdaq in a month is $1.13 trillion. Trillion dollars. I guess you got it. So actually in the Forex, the volume of Forex market in a day is $6.64 trillion. Comparing to Indian market, the Forex volume is much more better. Much more better. Best way to make money in the market is in Forex itself. Compared to Indian market, the volume is more in Forex, and the best way to make money in market is also in Forex itself. So I guess you people understood what is Forex trading, the benefits of Forex trading also, and the time also. The market opens at 4:30 a.m. on Monday and closes at 2:30 a.m. on Saturday. So this is all about Forex trading, guys. In detail, we'll talk about many things in the coming videos. Thank you.